Hello students, this is Kehkasha Banu, your science teacher. As we have discussed in last video about photosynthesis process and another modes of nutrition, in this video we will discuss about another interesting aspects of nutrition in plants chapter. So these topics are as follows like this: symbiosis or mutualism. Symbiosis is a combination of two Greek words. Sym means with and biosis means living, which means living together. You can say that any process which takes place living together, you can say that is a process symbiosis. In symbiosis or mutualism, two different types of organisms live and work together for the mutual benefits from each other. You can say, just take an example. If I say to my friend, just take a pen from my another friend and I will give you another pen. So that condition and that process is known as symbiosis. These share shelters and nutrition. Example, lichens. Lichens are composite organisms composed of fungus and alga. Fungus is a saprophyte and algae is an autotroph. The fungus supplies water and minerals to the cells of the alga, while the alga supplies food prepared by photosynthesis. You can see in this process, fungus and alga help to each other to nourish each other. The bird sitting on the back of a rhino is an example of symbiosis. The bird gets worms to eat, which means on the back side of the rhino, birds come to the back on rhino and they have their foods on the back of rhino in the form of worms, and while the rhino gets rid of those worms, in that place rhino gets sort of from that worms from their back. Now, next topic is here, replenishment of nutrition in soil. Some fungus live in roots of the plants. Roots of the plants provide shelter and food to the fungus, while fungus provides important nutrition to the plants. Because of continuous farming, nutrition keeps declining in the soil. Hence, to replenish those nutrition, fertilizers are added to the soil. Anything which works continuously, it also decrease their quality. So is this follow also in case of soil also, due to the continuous agriculture on soil or due to the continuous harvesting on soil, it concluded decreasing in the quality of soil. So for improvement or to replenish the quality nutrition of soil, farmer used to add some kind of fertilizer into it. Plants requires a lot of nitrogen to grow and to be healthy. We know all that. Although a lot of nitrogen is available in the atmosphere, but plant cannot absorb nitrogen in gaseous form. There is a bacterium called rhizobium which lives in the roots nodules of legumes such as gram, moong, etc. These bacteria can absorb nitrogen from the atmosphere and make it available for the plants. Rhizobium cannot make its food, hence it provides nitrogen to the legumes, and in return legumes provide them food and shelter. This is an example of symbiotic relationship. This has great importance for farmers' fields in which leguminous plants are grown from time to time. Do not need addition of nitrogenous fertilizers. Thank you children. I hope you have understood this chapter, nutrition in plants, thoroughly. We have go through all the topics of this chapter. Firstly, nutrition, nutrients, meaning of nutrition in plants, modes of nutrition in plants, process of photosynthesis. We also have go through the leaf aspects in the process of photosynthesis, and another modes of nutrition in plants we have discussed. We have discussed symbiosis, and we have also discussed the replenishment of nutrition into soil. So the motto of this chapter, I think we have done it. So I hope we will meet in next chapter.